analyzing them. See them. They get 50,000 each for eyeing you as a soldier. They give them bag of rice each for eyeing you as a soldier. For analyzing you as a soldier, for monitoring you as a soldier. The Nigerian federal government is giving each and every one of them one bag of rice, one bag of salt, one bag of oil, 1 gallon of oil, and 50,000 each. Not just that, they even sold uniform for them free of charge. Their uniform is free of charge. They are not see them uniform, you see them with uniform free of charge. You that is a soldier, you sold uniform from your own salary. Like your salary, take from your salary to sold uniform. But this one, federal government sold uniform for them free of charge. I pay them for buying you. Nigeria is a scam.
Oh God.
As a soldier in the Nigerian army, if this news will demoralize you, nothing will demoralize you again. Your government is crediting people that are buying you. They credit them for analyzing you. They give them bag of rice for taking your life. They give them bag of salt for taking your life. They give them bag of a gallon of oil for murdering you. Where is the morale? Federal government of bandits. Nigeria federal government is federal government of bandits. It pays to be a bandit in this country. Tell me why people will not go into bandit. Because you get compensated for taking somebody's life. Only in Nigeria. This one will happen. You know the story? For sec, federal government of Nigeria, for sec. And if you're on TikTok, don't forget. They're after this account. Follow my backup account. I don't tag them.
So that is it. So when you hear them, oh, they are going after people that buy a cow. This is how it started. That is it. You know, I started by telling us that you can take your time, go and Google how many people they have put rope in their neck in Nigeria, where they come from and what happened. Then compare it with what the crime from the north, and they're getting away with it. Go and watch a video of what by King Sarowa for our Southern brothers, South or Riverline area. Go and check what happened to Ganiman, King Sarowa. Go and check how they put rope on his neck. Go and check it. Abacha did it. Go and watch the video so you get the information very, very well. King Sarowa. Go and check what happened to him. Then you compare it with even Buku and the Bunigana mention or not. Your eye will clear very, very well. Abudu Kadiri or Kadri Bayero is here representing. The phone number you can see there. Maybe you can call us Abdul Karidi or whatever you call your name. Please you can call us so we can hear from you. Maybe you can tell us the best way. Okay, the number is for everybody to call. Now let us hear the message from this brother. What they have to say about the current recruitment going on. Just pay attention.
Don't take it as an act of cowardness because the Igbos are not.
Let me take it back.
Young Igbo youths, according to what I'm hearing, not only Igbo youths and South as well, have refused to join the army. Don't take it as an act of cowardness because the Igbos are not cowards. They are brave boys, they are brave soldiers. At least if nothing can prove that, Biafra will have proven it. You see all of them are rushing to join the army when Ojukwu declared Biafra and promised them.
This man said, why are you all Igbos? I guess one Nigeria. Okay, let me answer your call. Let me answer not your call, rather, a call of my brother. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you? Longest time?
Yeah, it's been long. I think I was just going through your platform and I saw that you are still on. Are you still online?
Yes, I'm online. Everybody's hearing your voice.
Thank you. Yeah, I just want to chip in, few things.